Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the middle part of your profile, below your bio and above your posts, you'll see story highlights. And you'll see a plus sign below story highlights, and just click that to add a new highlight. This will lead you to your archived stories in which you can choose from. So to choose a story to add to your highlight, just click the circle checkmark, and once it's checked, it should appear like this. And once you're done selecting stories to add to your highlight, click next at the top right corner of your screen. Then add a title to your highlight, and you can also edit the cover. You can choose among the stories that you selected, or you can choose from your camera rolls. And click add at the top right corner of your screen once you're done. And that's how you can easily add a highlight on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!